I love this. This is amazing.
Thank you, Mr. Tang. Right, so there are
You're
two...
back with your boy, Mr. Wade, and this is YouTube Math. Boo, boo, boo.
Good morning, Year 5. Okay, I have a joke for you today. However, I'm not sure if it's a very good joke. But nevertheless, what is the ghost's favourite food? Ice cream! Terrible joke. I'll try and find a better one in the future. Okay, this is take 2, as I thought it would be good to just delete the video off of my phone. So fantastic. Take 2 this is. Right, today you'll learn objective. Adding, subtracting wholes and decimals. So we're consolidating what you've done over the last couple of days with addition and subtraction of whole numbers and decimal places. Your feedback starter is a problem solving from yesterday. Raquel had £6.25. She bought one item and had £3.45 left over. So her change is £3.45. Interesting question there. Don't spend too long on it, but see if you could work out what the answer is. Okay, my workings out are here. Hopefully with the colour coordination they'll help you as well. Guess one here, match numbers to their word partner, then order numbers from smallest to largest. So if we look in the top left, 1 whole, 8 tenths and 9 hundredths. We've got 1 whole down here, 8 tenths, 9 hundredths. So those two would match. You don't need to write anything down for this one. You could just pair them up and then think about which ones are the smallest and which ones are the biggest. Obviously, the answers are to show. Right, the next one, bit of place value. We're looking at placing counters in the correct column. So we've got a decimal point. So we know this is our ones column. Ones down here. Oh, there's 5 ones, so the 5 would go in there. Tens column. Oh, there's 60. So 6 tens. So 60 would go in the tens column over here. And so on and so forth. So have a go at that one, please. Now, the questions will try and catch you out today. I don't know if it's necessarily on purpose, but it's just the wording of the questions. Our learning objective is both addition and subtraction. So please watch out for both addition and subtraction problems. This one here is addition. Pop it in. Find out what the answer is. Next one, subtraction this time. Be careful. Don't fall into that trap. Pop it in. Work it out. Next one, a worm and caterpillar, different lengths. What is their total length? 58 millimeters, 23.91 millimeters. Now, I've picked out the word altogether. What is a word altogether? What does it mean? Altogether. So if Mr. Waits bought 2 cakes, altogether they cost, altogether is the total. Total. So that's all it is. Ooh, trying to put a box around it. Not a very good box. So altogether just means the total. Okay, so work out their totals. Be careful here. It's 58 and it point. So where's the decimal point going to go? And it's going to be 58.00 millimeters. Don't forget your units that you're working in, and that is millimeters. Okay, so it does not have 0 tenths and 0 hundredths. Okay, so 58.00. Add 23.91, the answer is going to be there. This one here is one I want to focus on though, because it's a great question, but it is there to try and trick some people out. Now, Jo has £11 and 3 pence to spend. She buys juice, crisps and biscuits. First question, how much change would she get if she paid with a £10 note? Second question, what else could she buy? Okay, so I've written some things down here. So, £11 3p at the start, that's how much money she has. She's bought juice, crisps and biscuits. I've written them all down. We need to know how much they cost altogether. Altogether would then mean we need to add them up. So addition, a total. So juice, focus, crisps and biscuits. So we've got 6, add 2, add 0 in this column here, which would give us 8. 1, add 9 is 10, add 3, that's 13 tenths. So 10 tenths makes 1 whole. So 1 would be carried over and the 3 would stay in the tenths column. 3 add 2, add 2, add 1. 3 add 2 is 5. 5 add 2 is 7. 7 add 1 is 8. So we've got £8.38 worth of goods that she's bought. Now over here she's paying with a £10 note. So we need to do £10, take away £8.38. Now this is quite hard. If not, you could just work out how much more she would need from £8.38 to get to £10. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it this way. We need to do 0 take away 8, but we cannot do that, so we need to borrow. But there's 0 in the tenths column too. There's 0 in the ones column, so we can't borrow. So we need to borrow all the way over here to start with. Borrowing from the tens column, which then give us 10 ones. We can borrow here, which then give 9 ones. But because we borrowed, we now have 10 tenths. And now we need to do 0 take away 8. So we need to borrow from the 10, now have 9, and then drag it across. So we now have 10 take away 8, which is 2. 9 tenths take away 3 tenths, which is 6 tenths. 9 ones take away 8 ones is 1 1, and we have 0 in here. So we've got 162. Remember, pounds. £1.62. So if we have a look back up at the question, how much change would she get if she paid with a £10 note? She would get, sorry, there it is, £1.62 worth of change. So that's the answer to the first question. Next question here. What else could she buy? This is a fantastic question because we have got £1.62. What else could she buy? Hold on a minute. Didn't she have more than £10 to start with? She had actually £11 3p. So it's not just what she could buy from the £10 that she spent. It's what else could she buy from all of the money she had in total. So we need to do £11.03. Take away £10. Obviously, you can do this in your head if you automatically know the answer. Decimal point in the same place. 3 take away 0. 3. 0 take away 0. 0. 1 take away 0. 1. 1 take away 1. 0. So we can put the 0 in if we wanted as well. If not, don't need to. And the pound sign, because that's the money. So we've got £1 and 3 pence. And the change. So this is left over, and that's the change that she had. So we need to add it together. So we know how much money she has altogether. Decimal point in the same position, remember. So £1.62 is referring from the £10 note. And the £1 and 3p that we've just worked out is referring to the rest of the money that she had at the start. So we need to add them together. 2 add 3, 5, 6 add 0, 6, 1 add 1 is 2. Remember, pounds. She's got £2.62. What else could she buy? Have a little look here. She can definitely buy crisps. Cannot buy an ice cream. Can't buy juice. Can't buy biscuits. But she can also buy an apple. I wonder if she can buy more than one apple. Have a little look at that. So that is a great question there. Don't forget there's more on the slides if you need to go through more. Perfect. Thank you very much for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget, maths is fun.